This Pyrex baking tube in another day reminded us of some comparable, and really much older, type of baking pan. It is known as a Pullman pan, also it has rather straight sides and a lid that slides on top to maintain the loaf completely contained. Have you ever baked in a few of those pans? A Pullman loaf pan is a bread pan using a slide-on lid that creates a squared-off loaf with a compact crumb that is ideal for sandwiches. Though this design of the pan and bread existed before, these boats are generally connected with the cramped flats of 19th century Pullman railcars, in which the flat-topped bread the pans made were easier to stack than the domed loaves baked in conventional pans. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10 on our list. We have the Candial loaf pan with cover. Flawlessly eliminate a totally browned loaf of bread out of Candial's aluminum Pullman pan, 83 liters x 43 watts x 43H, using a non-stick coating. Heavy-duty aluminum is good quality and corrosion-resistant, for this will endure for a lifetime of usage in your kitchen. Made from food-grade heavy-gauge carbon steel, this material is perfect for baking cakes, cookies, provides fast, even heat distribution, and lasting durability and stability. This loaf pan is finished with a durable double layer of Quantum 2 non-stick, which releases freshly baked bread without trouble or mess. Quantum 2 is built to outperform all conventional non-stick coating and incorporates special ceramic materials to increase its strength and effectiveness. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 9 on our list, we have the USA Pan Bakeware Pullman Loaf Pan. The USA Pullman Loaf Pan isn't especially big since it measures 13x4x4 inches. But it's sufficiently large to create a loaf of bread for the entire family. This loaf pan is made by USA Pan, a United States firm known for its own standard kitchen appliances. The USA Pan Bakeware Pullman Loaf Pan with cover comes with an impressive layout. The pan is made of aluminized steel, which includes getting the lightweight attributes of aluminum and the strength of steel. The pan's fluted corrugated layout makes it seem unique and ensures that heat is distributed evenly during bake your bread equally. The layout also helps aid air supply and prevents the pan from warping when subjected to elevated temperatures. The loaf pan is coated with American, and this is a particular coating famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. The liner ensures your baked food doesn't stick to the pan. Additionally, because the food won't adhere, the pan will probably be a lot easier to wash. America is BPA, PFOA and PTFE free. The Pullman loaf pan bakes yummy bread soft on the inside and crispy on the surface. Its lid cover is extra, that seasoned bakers that are happy to experiment will adore. The cover allows the pan to double as a bread storage container. The Pullman loaf pan lid, which slides onto it, molds the perspective rounded into a perfectly horizontal one. At number 8 on our list, we have the Wilton Recipe Right Non-Stick Long Bread Loaf Pan. The Wilton Loaf Pan is just one of those kitchen utensil masterpieces on the market. It had been constructed while thinking about the ease of its customers. Aside from the long-lasting back-end coating of this pan, it's a wall arrangement that would not hold the material when flipped upside down. These exact same smooth walls guarantee the bread could only slide from the pan easily. Though many bakers use to deal with leftovers before baking, this may offer you a pleasing result without employing any coating of oil or treatment. At number 7 on our list, we have the Chefmate Mini Pullman Loaf Pan with lid. Food-grade silicone coating, non-Teflon, no dangerous substance discharge and large temperatures, PTFE and PFOA free. Adopts thickened 0.5mm carbon steel to quicken even heat. Strengthen border to suitable use and prevent warping. Ensure longer service lifetime. Excellent non-stick could be accomplished with less natural cooking oil. Less baking time and very low energy intake. Release easier, clean easier. Quickly make high-quality household dishes, afternoon tea, feast desserts, along other delicacies. Easy to take care of daily cooking, household dinner, friends gathering, festival parties, etc. Spend less time and have more fun. At number 6 on our list, we have the Kida Sensu Pullman Loaf Pan with lid. The best Pullman loaf pan can load 1 pound of bread. The warmth to the pan is left up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. After washing in the dishwasher, then dry the skillet in the oven, then be sure that the corners maintain water is dried thoroughly from the oven. This loaf pan cover can just bake square bread, but also create bread toast. Based on your preference, they could make amazing loaf bread and pieces of sandwich bread in your home. You also can select whether to utilize the cover. Pullman loaf pans are made with heavy, dependable, supplies durable, and quick, food-rated gauge carbon steel. Food-grade silicone coating, non-Teflon discharge at high temperatures, which means that you can concentrate on getting flavorful things cooking. You are able to quickly pop bread out from a black skillet without damaging its look. Second, the bottom port layout enables the dough to become warmed more evenly and also has a richer flavor. At number 5 on our list, we have the Yuji Dukey bakeware aluminized steel Pullman loaf pan with cover. Non-stick Americoat coating, a patented silicone coating that's PTFE, PFOA, and BPA free, provides rapid and effortless release of baked goods and nominal simple cleanup. Produced in China, the pan measures 13x4x4 inches. Large Pullman loaf pan includes a cover and always bakes lovely bread, commercial standard along with heavy gauge aluminized steel. Wash with warm water, mild soap, along with a gentle wash sponge or brush. At number 4 on our list, we have the Focus Foodservice 16 by 4-inch single Pullman bread pan. The Pullman loaf pan consists of heavy gauge aluminized steel, a 3-ply material consisting of 2 layers of hard corrosion-resistant 3003 aluminum metal. Round the durability, strength, and superior heat conduction of carbon steel. The folded structure together with strengthening cable support offers unparalleled durability for all these Pullman pans and lids. The covers slide off and on easily, and every loaf pan includes a silicone glaze end to provide for the simple release of baked products. At number 3 on our list, we have the Pullman loaf pan with cover bread toast mold. The aluminum Pullman loaf pan is processed and tempered to boost deformation resistance, therefore the baking mold is powerful, durable, hard to deform and bulge, and has a very long service life. The toast created by means of a mold using cover is square, the toast created with no pay is mountain-shaped. Non-stick design, the surface is a shameful blouse coat, which is easy to clean and release. The base of the exhaust vent has an exhaust vent layout, therefore the baking mold is equally heated and may offer effective airflow at the oven to acquire additional crusty and sharp consequences. The size of this toast baking box is all about 21.0 12.0 11.0 centimeters, creating a square or mountain-shaped toast. At number 2 on our list, we have the Julissi Store Non-Stick Pullman Loaf Pan. For fewer portions, make a little loaf of bread utilizing Julissi's Pullman Pan, 53 liters x 43 watts x 43H. An extremely conductive aluminized steel pan includes ventilation holes in the base, so each loaf accomplishes a golden brown finish. Bold gold accentuates the non-stick corrugated interior-exterior surfaces. The bread pan and loaf pan features non-stick inside and out to deliver great food release, with quick cleanup aluminized steel for better and evenly heat-conducting oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Baking Bread Loaf Pan. The most wonderful thing about this Amazon Basics loaf pan is its own structure. When compared with traditional pans which are brushed and have enormous lips causing infection, it's molded easily using one sheet of steel. With this, there's absolutely no prospect of dough or batter becoming stuck in tiny corners that causes messy cleanup minutes. This also makes it possible for the bread to be published in complete simplicity and the pan to be washed with no fuss. In addition, it can withstand high temperatures without the danger of warping. With the ideal care, anybody would like to use this specific pan for any range of years. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.